Good afternoon, students. Okay, let's start practice from the NX from our laboratory. Today we will have the first this exercise, this part, the modeling in the using the surface modeling. So let's open the NX and you see here that the base the radius is the 20 and upper radius is the here is the 26 and let's open the new NX file. Model, press OK. So select the sketch, select this face and press OK and select the circle here with the diameter of the 20. So we finish the sketch and create the new datum plane at the distance using the method of the distance, and the distance is here is the 46. Type here the 46 here, the press OK and draw the here circle with the diameter of the 26 and finish the sketch and just using this through course, let's connect these two circles, this circle, add new set and this one. Here select G0 position, G for 0. So now it is connected, so press OK. Here we obtained our the base from here to here. Now let's create this part. It is the distance is the 10 millimeter from the this surface. So we can for the beginning create a new datum plane, and we can hide this one and create a new datum plane. The distance here is this distance is a 10. So at the distance of the 10 millimeter, press OK and sketch the circle on this plane with the diameter of the circle is the this one is the 10. So here select this one, select 10, press enter and here finish the sketch and extrude it in the distance of the 6 millimeter at the reverse direction and finish the sketch. So now just hide this one, and I would like to connect this element with this one. In order to do this, we can use the here the through the curve and here select this edge, add new set, add this one. So it is connected, but it is the reverse direction. Now here select this one, G1 tangent, this one and G1 tangent again with this one. So you see here this one is obtained. Maybe we can change this one. Let me see here. You see it is the shape is in this like this. So let's make the shape like this. In order to do this, sorry. Now here select firstly this one and let's make it 0 and make it tangent this face. Okay, Okay, let's go again through the curve. Select this one and add new set and select this one. So reverse the direction and here select this one and select this one. No, not this one. And select this one. Select this one and select this one. So now you see it is obtained. We can finish the sketch. So sorry, we have to just let's delete this one. So here the select this one, add new set and this one and reverse the direction here. Not this one, I mean select the through curve, this edge here the select this one, firstly make it 0. Now select this one, select this face and select here the G1 tangent and select this face. So now I obtained our system, so press OK. So here you see our the bottle is created. Now hide these ones and this one. Now let's make it here the thread. In order to do, go to the curve, select the helix, helix created, you see, bring it here, the dimensions of the helix to 10, the diameter, and make it to the, let's see here, increase the number of the turns, for example the 6. So now it's correct, it is the good. So we can finish it and now we have to create the sketch. The starting point is here. Go home. Let's create a datum plane. Here the select the point and direction here and select this point. Press OK and create a circle here. I mean on this datum plane sketch. Select this datum plane. Press OK. Zero 0.5. So here you see, and you can hide this one, our datum plane, and double click to the helix and we can move it little bit here. Let's make it turns is the 5 number of the turns and see the result. Okay, now that's okay. Now here the delete this one and we'll create new sketch. Here create again the circle on this point on this plane with the dimension of 0.5 and finish the sketch and go to the more here. You can use the swap here as a section. Select this circle and as a guide curve select this helix to create the thread element here like this and press OK. You can hide this sketch and the datum plane as well, and we can unite this system with this one. Okay, and unite the whole system with this one, apply, and with this one with this one. Okay, we can make the shell now. Use the shell function, select this face, so let's make it bigger so 0.5. So go to the shell again, so it's okay. Let's firstly make this one delete, and let's make a shell again, and apply. Let's make it 0.5 smaller shell, and press apply and select this face, and make shell this one, apply with this one, apply. So now it's okay. Now we can make it unite this one, with this one, and this one with this one. Press OK. So our system is obtained. Now we can go to the view, edit object display, select this one, press OK, go to the color and select, for example, this color, press OK. OK. So here our system is to finish it. Hide this one. So this is the first exercise. Here you can select the hide this one also.